So guys, in previous video there was one comment that sir please explain what is API. So guys, in this video I am going to tell you what does actually mean API and where do we use API. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to It's Programmer. This is Aman Gaikwad in front of you, and guys, in this video we are going to see what is API, how does API works. Okay, that all things we are going to see in this video. Before it, my one request is there, please see this video till end. Okay, so it will actually mean to understand all things about API to you. So guys, my request is that please see this video till end, and whatever you have seen, please comment. Only I want one comment from you, so please do comment. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go on our computer screen. Okay guys, so we have came to our computer screen and you can see something I have made by myself. I'm going to explain you all things, but before that, let's come to know what the API full form is. Okay, so API stands for Application Programming Interface. What is this? I am going to explain all things, just concentrate. So guys, before telling all things, do you know Zomato? So guys, for better understanding, we will take the example of Zomato. Okay, have you ever used Zomato? If you have used it, then you can see if you will order something from Zomato, then after ordering, you can not only take the example of Zomato, you can take another example also like Flipkart and Amazon also. Okay, if you will order something, so after ordering, our order has came till some position, means till some address. If you have I will take example of two talukas. If you are from Jalgaon, then it will be better to understand you. Okay, if you are living in Amalner, and if you have ordered something from Jalgaon and your actual Zomato company is at Jalgaon and you have ordered something, then the delivery boy who is at Jalgaon, he will take that all your things that he will take from there, from Jalgaon, and he will come towards you. Then at which position he has came, that all things you will get update about that all things by using maps. Okay, so Zomato don't have its own map, so how does it show us the maps and how does it show the position of that delivery boy? So it uses the API of Google. Okay, so Google has its own API, that is Google Maps, and so that Google Maps has its own API, that Zomato just send request to that API, can I use that API of Google Maps? Then that API asks to Google, should we allow to Zomato to use our API? Then Google, if all credentials are right, then Google allows to Zomato to use its own API, and after that Zomato uses it. Okay, so this is the game behind API. Okay, so what is API? API is a wall. We can say API is a wall which gives permission to another app to use the service of any particular app. If you better understand it, I will repeat it again. API is a wall which allows to another application to use the service of any application. Okay, so if you want to use anything from any app, then if that app has its own API about that thing, then you can ask to API, and API will ask to that app, should I allow to use that thing to that particular service? If it will say yes, then that service can use that particular function of this app, neither it cannot be used. So that sound is of crackers. So once again, happy Diwali. And guys, this is the game behind API. Once again, Zomato, if Zomato want to use the maps functionality of Google, then it will ask to API, and that API will ask to Google Maps. Okay, Zomato will ask to API and API will ask to Google Maps. Google Maps will say yes, then it will come to API and API will again give that reply to Zomato. So this is the game behind that. So guys, how was this? If you understand, if you do not understand, please comment in comment box. I will try to explain you in better way, but I think the game has finished. Okay, API is this, nothing more. And it not only maps, not only Google Maps API is there are much APIs. Okay, so before some days I have made the video of dog image API. Okay, if you didn't see this, then see this video. In this video I have made the API of dogs image API. Means if you will click anything, then it will generate image of dog. After you will click, after it will generate another image of dog. So this is also one creative API. So I have also made that one project, so you can see it also. Then you will get to know what actually API is. Okay, so guys, this is the end game of API, and we will meet in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep coding. Bye bye.